We'll guide you through how to fix no Wi-Fi networks found in Windows. We're doing this in Windows 11, but you can do this in older versions of Windows as well. Come to the bottom of your computer and click on search, and you want to go and type in Control Panel and open it up. In here, click on Network and Internet, and click on Network and Sharing Center, and you can click Change Adapter Settings. In here, go and find your Wi-Fi adapter, right click on it and click Properties, and then you want to click Configure. In 2.4 channel bandwidth, set that to auto. Come into the 5 and do that as well, and make sure 6 is set to auto, and then come to band selection, and you can set that to all bands as well. Then go and press OK. Go and see if you can now find Wi-Fi networks. Alternatively, if that doesn't work, then what you can try doing is clicking search at the bottom of your computer, and you can go and type in network reset like so. This will open up your settings straight into place, and what we can do is press reset now. This will remove and then reinstall all your network adapters, and hopefully that will solve the problem.